Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm cooking some popcorn in the microwave. And I'm going to start the microwave. I usually cook the popcorn for 99 seconds, and so that it helps, so that it doesn't get all too crispy. I don't want it to be all burnt. This is how much seconds that I'm going to start cooking. As you can see, the popcorn is going to start popping. By the way, I'm using a Kodak EasyShare camera so I can film the microwave. Ooh, I can hear it popping. Yes. I'm going to start counting down. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Food is ready. Power level may not be changed at this time. Food is ready. Okay guys, let me put my camera down so that I can use both hands to carry this bag, because I don't want it to get too close to my face. I don't think this is a good idea to use the popcorn button because I heard the manufacturer saying do not use the popcorn button. But some people would use the popcorn button anyway. Okay. Let me put my camera down so I can take the popcorn out of the microwave by using two hands. It's getting a bit hot unless if you take it out of the microwave. Uh-oh, one of the vents fell off of the microwave. Here, let me try to put this back on. This one easily falls off. I don't know why it does that. That's the popcorn that I cooked. Alright. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.